I'm Amy Morgan.
I'm Steve.
And we live in Seabrook in Nocatee. We moved here because our 3 daughters, their husbands and children, moved to Seabrook and we missed them.
We have grandkids, we're always rock stars to them and they're always the light of our life. But we now live by the girls and they had gone to college and gone out into the world, and now we've really gotten to know them as adults, which we didn't really get to do before when we lived apart. So we were living in Naples, so we came up and we fell in love with it here. But we didn't really know that you don't even need a gated community in this area. Everyone is so friendly.
The schools are great. There's so many parks. The amenities are great, the water parks. It's just fantastic for people of all ages.
We get to see our grandkids every single day. We grew up in a small town, and moving back here, it's exactly like that small town where everybody knows everybody. The nice thing about Seabrook is you have a lot of young families, but you've also got people like us that are older. We get to enjoy all the children and see all the kids and the families. We weren't ready to do a retirement community.
We typically go for a 4-mile walk every morning. We get to see our grandkids. Our grandkids love each community in Seabrook has its own park, and they're all just a little bit different, so they never get bored. All the beautiful scenery, and afternoons we can play pickleball, we can go to the food trucks. There's so much to do. You can do everything, you can do nothing and relax.
And it's all in this one area. You can get everywhere by golf cart. The new school they've opened up, our grandchildren all go there. It's an easy 1-mile walk from here. So we can go see their events or anything at school. In Nocatee, they've got all the great water parks, so they like going there just as well. So we're the off change. When they're done at the water park, they'll come here and calm down in our pool. The new Greenway Trail connection, we used to go by golf cart. You had to go out to the main roads, but now it's just a short zip through the woods and you're right at the water parks or you're in the town center. It's just made everything remarkably convenient to these new Seabrook communities.
Beautiful.
We've traveled the world and we've lived in a lot of communities, and this is the first where you move in and nobody knew anybody and you're all immediately welcome.